One day, Sir Topham Hatt called Thomas to meet him in some random place. Yo, Sir Topham Hatt, what's up, dude? Sir Topham Hatt said,
Oh, Thomas, well, I need you to take some extra freight car to the farmer dude. You know, that random guy, the farmer?
Sure, thanks, Topham Hatt. And why do you look all childish and have an orange hat instead of a black one today?
Well, Thomas, I got plastic surgery 2 days ago. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay. Well, bye. And Thomas tucked away into the cave. Now the other side to the farmer dude. All was going well until Thomas came outside of the tunnel. Hey, Henry, my man, what are you doing there? You're blocking my way, and I have to make like this delivery thing to the farmer dude who lives on the other side of this mountainy cave thing that you're blocking my way, man. And he said like,
Oh, yeah, well, my tender's out of batteries, and I'm gonna need to wait till I get more rechargeable batteries in my tender, you know? Yeah. So, you can't go here, Thomas.
well, Henry, where can I go?
Well, you can take the detour beside the mountainy cave thingy. It's right in front of you.
Oh yeah. Thanks for wasting like 5 minutes of my life, Henry. That was like real swell of you. Bye. Please give more on people. And Thomas puffed away. Thomas was continuing along the road and was just about to go forward when he noticed Molly was at the tracks.
Hey, Molly, dude.
Engine. What are you doing blocking my way? First Henry, now you. What the heck's going on today? Huh? Well, Thomas, seems like my remote control ran out of battery, so I can't move anymore.
What the heck are you talking about?
You know, Thomas, we're like these remote controlled engines that winners, you know? What? Oh, never mind. Have you need to take some medicine, Molly? No? Whatever. Anyways, can you let me pass? Just told you no. Oh my god, I have to go through the bumpy road again? Yeah, Thomas. I just told you that. My god, getting really angry here. All these people just blocking my way. Gotta go through the long way again. So, what the? Thomas, why did you smack into me? Because I got angry. Okay then. Back away. Thank you. Good, Thomas. Don't let your anger at me slow you down. Whatever. Bye, Thomas. Yeah, thanks a lot, Molly. And so Thomas trucked away again. Thomas was almost at Farmer McColl's or dude, whatever his name is, when he saw Gordon standing in his way yet again. This time Thomas was really angry. He said, Gordon, I don't care why you're here blocking my way. Get out of my way, Gordon.
Never, Thomas. I'm an important express agent, and... Whoa, chill out, Thomas.
Whoa, Thomas. Like, chill out, man. Like,
Yeah, chill out. Chill out, Thomas, chill out. Oh, what's your problem, man? Thomas was so angry that he bumped Gordon right off the rails. And he was only 2 centimeters away from Farmer Dude's farm of elephants. Weird, huh? Weird. And Sir Topham Hatt was there to witness the whole thing. Sir Topham Hatt with plastic surgery. Correct, Sir Topham Hatt. Yeah, whatever. Okay, Thomas, I don't know what you were there all thinking about. Blowing Gordon right off the rails.
You, Thomas.
Wasn't talking to you, Gordon. Anyways, Thomas, I'm very disappointed in you. Farmer McCall really needed those empty freight cars for his elephant poop. Now, Thomas, I'm afraid something bad will happen to you. A curse will be laid upon you, and you'll never be happy again. Yeah, right, said Thomas. Says who? Yeah, you see that, Thomas? You see that? Thomas, what's this beeping light? I think it's a bomb, said Thomas. Oh, shoot. Boom!